is based on basic DC ammeter. Now the question is, draw the circuit diagram of DC ammeter and derive the equation for shunt resistor. Actually, this DC ammeter is based on the principle of d'Arsonval galvanometer. Such type of the instrument can be used for the measurement of the small current. If we pass the larger current, that is more than 100 milliampere through the coil, in that case the construction becomes bulky. To avoid this, a resistor connected in parallel with the meter. Here the resistance RSH, RS means shunt resistance, the resistance connected in parallel with the meter. So as shown in the figure, as shown in the circuit, this current I, that is a current which is to be measured. Here it divided into two parts because of this resistor which is to be parallel with the meter. This current is divided into two parts. Current flowing the resistor is ISH and current flowing through the meter is IM. So that I means total current to be measured. Total current to be measured. RSH is shunt resistor. Shunt means parallel. Shunt resistor. ISH means this ISH, current flowing through shunt resistor. Current flowing through shunt resistor. This RM means internal resistance of this meter. Internal resistance of the coil inside the meter. IM means full scale deflection current. Full scale deflection current. Or we can call it IFSD. Now we have to derive the equation for this shunt resistor. So as shown in the figure, the resistance RSH and RM are parallel to each other. Resistor RSH and RM are parallel to each other, so that the voltage across these two resistors are also same. Voltage drop across the two resistors are also same, so that voltage drop across these two resistors are also same. Now the equation is RSH, current flowing through the shunt resistance, is equals to IM, that means current flowing through the current full scale deflection current IM into the resistance of internal resistance of coil. This is equation 1. Now shunt resistor is equals to, actually we have to calculate the shunt resistance, that's why RSH is equals to IM into RM upon ISH. This is equation. So as shown in the figure, total I current is divided because of this resistor, because the resistance is parallel with this meter. So total current I is equals to shunt current plus full scale deflection current. So that actually we want the value of ISH, so that ISH is equals to I minus Im. This is equation 3. Now put the value of equation 3 into equation 2. Put value of equation 3 in equation 2. Now RSH equals to full scale deflection current into internal resistance of the coil divided by value of RSH is I minus Im. This is equation 4. Now the multiply and divide this numerator and denominator by Im. Divide numerator and denominator by Im, so that we get Im into Rm divided by Im upon I minus Im divided by Im. Here Im cancel. Here Im is common for I and this Im also. So that our equation is Rm divided by I upon Im minus 1. It is equation 5. Now the term, the multiplying power of the shunt, that is M, multiplying power of the shunt, that is M, is the ratio of this total current to the current passing through the coil. That is Im. That means the multiplying power of the shunt, that means M, is equals to I ratio of total current divided by current passing through the coil. M means multiplying power of the shunt. This is equation 6. Now put the value of equation 6 in equation 5, so that put the value of equation 6 in equation 5. This M means multiplying power of the shunt. This is the ratio of total current divided by current flowing through the coil. Put value of equation 6 into equation 5. So shunt resistance is equals to Rm divided by M minus 1. This is the equation for shunt resistor. So if we again simplify this equation for multiplying power of the shunt, we get here the cross multiplication of this equation. That means M into shunt resistance minus RSH is equals to Rm, so that M into RSH is equals to Rm. If we move this value in right side, so that this minus become plus and equation is RSH. So M into RSH equal to Rm plus Rs. So that multiplying power of shunt, that means M is equals to Rm plus RSH divided by RSH. This RSH is common for the numerator, so that M equals to Rm divided by RSH plus RSH cancel, here it is a 1. This is second equation, that is equation for multiplying power of the shunt. Equation for multiplying power of the shunt. Next is multi-range ammeter. As its name indicate, multi means multiple. That means such type of the ammeter it used can to measure the different color ranges. That means it is used to obtain different current ranges. Actually, it is a modification of this basic DC ammeter. The current range of the basic DC ammeter is increased by the different shunt resistors. See, this is a basic DC ammeter. Here, this is a resistor connected in parallel with the meter. It is a only one resistor is used. But in multi-range ammeter, there is a multiple shunt resistors are connected in parallel, or multiple resistors are connected in parallel with the basic meter, like this. If we increase the number of resistors, shunt resistance 1, shunt resistor 2, shunt resistor 3, shunt resistor 4, and so on. So R means total current flowing through the coil. Here is our node, because so that current is divided into ISH1, ISH2, ISH3, ISH4, and this current flowing through the coil, so that basic meter is converted into the multi-range ammeter. We can call it extension of measuring range of meter. So from the basic DC ammeter we get this equation for shunt resistance, RSH upon Rm multiplying power of the shunt, that is M minus 1. This is equation for basic DC ammeter. But this is a multi-range ammeter, so that our equation will be the equation for different shunt resistor, equation for different shunt resistor can be RSH1 is equals to Rm divided by M1 minus 1, RS2 is equals to Rm divided by M2 minus 1, RS3 equals to Rm divided by M3 minus 1, RSH4 is equals to Rm divided by M4 minus 1, and so on. So the multi-range ammeter is used for the range up to 50 ampere. This multi-range ammeter are used for range up to 50 ampere. All the shunt resistor are precise resistor. Here, all the shunt resistor are precise resistance. So the cost of multi-range ammeter is quite high. So friend, it is an extension of measuring range of meter. That is, it is an multi-range ammeter.